Hey everyone, I'm Anastasia, a stretching coach. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 the best and the most productive exercises which are going to get you to your split. If you want to get your split fast and safe, this video is definitely for you. This is a follow-along training, so I'll suggest you to wear something comfy, something stretchy, and when you are ready, let's begin. So the first is one of my favorite exercise, which gives you the best warm-up, is downward facing dog. We put the hands down, tuck the toes, and going up, straightening both knees. And from here, we do a gentle variation, starting from bicycle, bend one knee, and we do a gentle push, and then switch to another leg, push. Let's do a few more times. So 1, and 2, and 3. Make sure your feet are touching the ground. 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now let's put legs a little bit wider and add pushes inside. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Good job. From here, we put one leg in the middle. Another leg is ready to work. The knee going towards our forehead. We do inhale, and with the exhale, we move the leg up. This is also the variation of downward facing dog. And 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4, and 5, 6, exhale, 7, 8, and 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale, and we hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's switch to another leg. Ready? Let's go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Few more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Last one, 7, and we hold 8. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's move to the second exercise. It's a deep lunge. We put in the right leg in front of us and going down with our hips. Make sure your knee is just under your feet, creating a 90 degrees angle. Your shoulders square, hips are square. Those are important. Hold here. Relax your hips. Relax your muscles here. Deep inhale and exhale. Tuck the back toes and straight the back knees fully. And we add pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And from here we are moving to exercise number 3, which is a slide. So we slide backwards, straightening the front knee. With the exhale, we move forward. Then we come back to lunge, moving down to elbows and add extra pulses. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, exhale, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Exhale, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's slide backwards, straight the front knee, and we go down and hold for 20 seconds. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Let's go deeper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's change legs. We start with the deep lunge. Exercise number 2. Straight posture, shoulders back, hips square. Exhale. Relax your hips, relax your muscles. Tuck the back toes and straight the back knee. And we add pulses in our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Good job. Release. From here we slide backwards, straightening the front knee, and with the exhale we go all the way down to our lowest possible position. Then we slide forward, going down to elbows, and add extra pulses. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2. Exhale deeper. 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2. Exhale. 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. We slide back, straight the front knee, and we hold it here for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go deeper. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. We are done with the exercises. Now let's move into split and see what we've got there. We started from the knee. Put in one leg forward. Make sure your hips, your shoulders are square, and we gently slide forward. Make sure your knees is straight all the way down to your lowest maximum position. And let's hold it here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good job. Going up, and let's switch leg. Another leg is going forward, straightening the knee, keeping the hips square, and we gently slide forward all the way down to your max, and we hold it here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good job! We are finished. So these are 3 best exercises which helped my students to get from this point all the way down to the floor, and I hope it will help you as well. Thank you very much for watching this video and training with me. If that was helpful, please don't forget to put a like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new stretching or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!